Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today we are doing some lawn work, adding some curb appeal to the place. So let's go out there and take a look and see what the kids are doing, see what the wife is doing, and yeah, let's go check it out. All right, beautiful Saturday morning. Weather is awesome. Low humidity. I can totally dig it. So good morning, a very nice morning. What time is it anyways, you know?
Around 11.
Around 11? All right. Yeah, perfect morning to be doing this kind of stuff. Let's see what's going on down there. Anyways, here they are. Hey, Mom. Hey, hon.
Morning. Cutting, trimming some bougainvilleas.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I know in the Marine Corps we used to call this base beautification, but for over here we'll call it what? What do we call it over here?
Home beautification.
Home beautification, there you go.
To clean up.
Adding curb appeal. Let's see what these guys are doing, huh? Well, we got Champagne over here, and then we got Jillian. These are our friends. No, we're not frickin' doing we're not doing child labor here, just regular old earn a few dollars, or pesos in this case, and you know, kind of like what we used to do when we were kids, run around with lawnmowers and cut people's grass, earn $5-10, whatever. Oh, and for me also shoveling snow. I used to do a lot of that. Shoveling snow, cutting grass, you name it, whatever I could do to earn some cash. Too young to go freaking get a job, so had to do random stuff.
They came over to help us, and then just because they want to help their mom for their school money.
Yeah.
They had to earn some.
Yep.
It's not a child labor actually, but
No.
they just come over. They ask us if they can do something for us.
Yeah.
So they want.
See, in the modern era, today's culture, whatever you want to call it, people get all bent and uptight about stuff like this. It's like, oh, what are you doing? I don't know, man. I remember over at our other place, weren't the neighbors kind of looking at us like, what are you doing with those kids, you know? Weren't they?
Yeah.
I can't remember. Yeah.
Yeah. And then they think that we're not giving them money. I said,
Yeah.
we're helping them for their.
It's like, dude, I wouldn't have these kids over here just freaking slave laboring. And then, not to mention, these kids would never show up if we didn't have some cash to give them. Well, I mean, they might, but I doubt it. I mean, that's the whole point of it, right? Earn some money. Teach these kids some responsibility, get them away from their cell phones for, you know, a little while.
Not, most of kids right
I think it's good for them, huh?
they just sit inside their house and then play their cell phone.
There's one of the dogs.
There's a bee.
What we got here, baby? Oh, we got Chloe. Oh, Chloe. Good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. She's very pretty. Let's take a walk around, see what we got going on back here. So once again, if you saw my last video, you'll know that this is the outside area. This is our terrace. I thought we were going to sit out here a lot more than what we do. Yeah, we should actually. I sit inside a lot. But, and the Kubo, I haven't even, since we've had the Kubo here, I haven't even sat in that once. So it's like we get all these cool little amenities and I just kind of blow them off. Not good. So here we are in the carport with no car to port. Dog food still sitting there. I wonder why. They didn't finish, so we're gonna save it for tonight. That's okay. There's the old smoker. We're gonna fire that baby up here soon. That's the bathroom right there. So yeah, this is kind of an eyesore. This is kind of ugly. We had a big burn pit going here burning up some of these dry banana leaves. So I need to fix this. This looks like shit. But, you know, to be quite honest, I don't really do anything back here. This is kind of like the dogs. They're kind of the playground for the dogs. So, yeah. Plus, this is the south side of the house, and this is where the sun really beats down hard during the afternoon. So it's kind of, yeah, kind of an oven back here. Really messy back here. Try to ignore that. We're still trying to get that straightened out. All right, coming back through the side here. This is a big yard, man. I really like it. Oh, I think it's big. Some people might not. There's the Kubo. Yeah, so in the Philippines, this is kind of considered a big place. Stateside, probably about average. But, you know, in the United States, it's probably, yeah, it's really not considered anything super huge. But over here, I had a tough time finding this place, or a place like this. You know, we kind of kept our eyes open for quite a long time for a bigger house, and they don't, I don't know what it is, but just this area, or maybe other parts of the Philippines, there's a lot more selection. But here, god dang. So as soon as I saw this place, I was immediately like putting money down on it. Let's take it. All right, one more time. We'll take a look outside, see how these guys are doing. Oops. There they are. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Champagne? Jillian? Everybody happy? Get enough water?
I found the, you know, the bee around there.
Yeah?
They want to bite me.
Bees don't usually mess with you if you don't mess with them. It's the hornets and the wasps and all that. Those are the ones that are just mean little bastards.
The hornet, the one that jumped by me at the where we were at the pool.
Yeah.
That's the one I spoiled the ivory.
Oh yeah?
There's a lot over there close to the gate.
Well, it's looking really good, guys. Maybe if I put this camera down, I could actually help you.
No need.
All right. I'm just walking around, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Not doing a damn thing except holding the camera. Huh?
Just trim some and no need to.
Okay. Well, all right.
Good thing that
Thanks for coming over, guys. I really appreciate it.
Good thing that Jillian came over.
Yeah. Let this traffic flow by. Beautiful day. All right. Wave goodbye, guys. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. It's not a whole lot to report. Just doing a little yard work. And once again, just really enjoying this friggin' awesome weather. I tell you what, January's a good month here, weather-wise. You can't beat it. February sometimes also, but definitely January. Anyways, enough. Gotta get going, and I hope everybody's doing well. And until next time, y'all take care, all right? All right, bye-bye.